If CapCut keeps freezing on your computer, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can help get the app running smoothly again. We're going to adjust CapCut's performance settings, clear out cache files, and remove temporary data that can cause lag, stuttering, or complete freezes while editing. This is a great troubleshooting guide whether CapCut freezes on startup, during playback, or when you're working on the timeline. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's fix the CapCut freeze problem step by step. First, open CapCut and click the settings icon in the top right corner. Then go into settings and look for the performance tab. This section controls several options that can affect how CapCut uses your system resources. Start by turning off speed up hardware encoding, speed up hardware decoding, and render interface with GPU. These settings can help on some systems, but if your graphics card drivers are outdated or incompatible, they can actually cause freezing. So uncheck all three options and see if CapCut becomes more stable. If that solves the problem, that's a strong sign your GPU drivers may need to be updated later. Next, still in the Performance tab, find Smart Optimization and change it to None. Smart Optimization tries to process clips in the background, but on slower computers or heavily loaded systems, that extra background work can trigger timeline freezes or make the app feel unresponsive. Turning it off reduces pressure on CapCut and helps the editor focus on only what you're actively working on. Now, if you see the proxy option, make sure it is enabled. Proxy editing is one of the best ways to reduce freezing because it creates lower resolution versions of your footage for editing. That means CapCut doesn't have to work as hard when you drag clips, scrub the timeline, or preview effects. Your final export quality stays the same, but the editing experience becomes much smoother. After adjusting those performance settings, test your project again and see if the freezing is gone. If CapCut is still freezing, the next thing to do is clear the cache. Go back to the main homepage in CapCut before opening a project. Then go to Settings again, open the Project section, and look for the cache area. You should see a delete or trash icon next to the cache size. Click that to remove temporary files. Over time, CapCut cache can grow very large, sometimes taking up a huge amount of storage and slowing everything down. Clearing it can immediately improve performance and fix random lockups. If that still doesn't solve it, the next step is to manually delete temporary files from your computer. First, close CapCut completely so it is not running in the background. Then press Windows key and R at the same time. In the Run box, type %localappdata% and press Enter. Open the CapCut folder, then go into User Data and then Cache. Delete everything inside that folder. After that, open the Run box again, type %temp% and delete the temporary files you find there as well. Don't worry, these are just system temp files and leftover app data, and clearing them often helps remove corrupted files that cause freezing issues. Once you've done all of these steps, restart your computer and open CapCut again. In many cases, that combination of performance tweaks, proxy editing, and cache cleanup is enough to stop the freezing problem completely. If CapCut is still giving you trouble after that, the next thing to check would be your GPU drivers, Windows updates, and available RAM. Because system-level issues can also affect performance, but for most users, these fixes make a big difference. If this tutorial helped you fix the CapCut freeze problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips, editing tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.